Okay.
We're going home? Yeah. What's in here? What's it? What's here? What's in here? I think Sophia got the snowman. Sophia, it's breakable. Did you have a... Oh, Sophia has the same. Two same. Yeah. Sophia, I'm checking if mine's bigger. The legs are kind of bigger because Sophia's is doing that. So I think they're both the biggest because Sophia's legs are kind of small because they're doing this. Because that. But when you do this, it's big. No! Sophia, do you know who gave you it? What? Elizabeth. Is Elizabeth me? Yeah, Elizabeth is me. Elizabeth is me. I'm sorry, Sophia. No, let me see. No, it doesn't. It has to be S.
Okay, girls. What do you say to my friend Elizabeth?
Thank you. Lily? Are you going to send it to her? Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.